goes.
Just that easy.
This is what I do.
Okay, that's your thing.
It's my thing. I just put it there and I stand and I talk.
Yeah.
There's Nate. Welcome back, guys. We're now putting on the front suspension. Nathan's here to give me a hand. Hopefully he gets his hands dirty, not just use the camera. Actually, today we're going to take it off instead. And I've sold the front wheels, so we're going to get them off and put them in the other car to send them off. It should be pretty exciting. We've been waiting for this for a long time. The shocks are in. New tires are on order. And we should be good to go very soon. So next week is the plan to get it on. Get it on. So the plan is to get it all put together. We have new brake calipers. Everything's been rebuilt and painted. Now I just need to put it all together and take it for a test drive. So let's get started.
Growing a little big for those pants, AJ.
Am I? Oh, yeah. Thanks.
Hey, Jay. What do we have here?
This is a puller we're assembling for the... What the hell is that piece called? It's like the steering arm. The main steering arm off the... Yeah, main steering arm off the steering box.
Mm-hmm.
What the hell do they call that? I can't remember. But
It doesn't matter.
it doesn't matter. But if you're wondering the size, and I think actually someone asked me that on the RX7 Facebook page, the size is a 30 mil. I believe to be a 30 mil, or in between an inch and an eighth and an inch and a quarter, which I don't think there is a size. So this is going to wrap around that piece in the back, and we're going to press through with this in the center of where that bolt goes.
Mm-hmm.
And in theory, this should pull out no problem.
I like to see it in action.
All right.
Yep.
So these are going to go on the other side of this.
Mm-hmm. Oh, I understand. And it's going to push the bolt there.
We got it. Make sure you're all secured. Quickly.
It's not going to hit me, is it?
I don't think so, but this piece. I can slide it out of the way maybe. No,
No, it's fine. Should just. I'd be more worried about you.
I'm fine. I'll hold it.
Yeah, right.
Let me get some safety glasses. Just in case.
Is it moving at all?
It's pretty rusty. We spray the other piece a little seized up. There is a bigger key inside of here. I don't know if you can see that.
Oh yeah.
little teeth, and there's a key that goes through. There's one on either side, so maybe this one can only go in one way.
Right.
Which is to our benefit. There's also a cotter pin that came with it. It's in this little bag. I'll put that in there. And so right now it's seized up. Got the puller on there, and I think I might take the torch and kind of run it around the other side. Heat it up, and it should just pop off.
Can't hurt anything.
No.
Unless you set the car on fire. That's quite a torch you got there, Jay.
Well, this torch is high quality. It's got me out of a few jams.
There's some cursing along the way.
You know it. Terrible regulators.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe not today. Maybe we're not doing this. Still got some life. Can't believe I still haven't changed this bottle
Since
I bought them.
really?
The map gas. Okay, you ready to go?
Let's do it.
Here, right?
Yep. No. Well, yeah. Yeah, you got it.
Here she goes.
Just that easy. The magic of fire.
And we will start to unbox the best Rock Auto has given me. This goes on. This unscrews. Look at that. Replace that with this.
Easy enough.
If you fancy. Or you grease it, put the plug back in, and it's greased.
Mm.
So this one's pretty well sealed up. So we're going to match this up. This looks pretty straight. This will go here. These bolts. Same thing on this side. So they always call this stuff new old inventory.
Like it's been sitting there for 15 years?
Yeah. It's still new though. In case you didn't have a nut already. Oh, it doesn't even fit on there.
That fits though, right?
No.
Oh.
What is this? I don't think it's cut right. Oh. Reverse thread.
Hey, so you can't screw it up.
Well, when they do the wheel alignment,
Yep.
all they have to do is spin this, and it'll pull in and out
I gotcha.
on both sides. Yeah. I guess this just means it only goes in one way anyway,
Right.
so we can't screw it up.
And, yeah, that's what I was saying.
It's probably the best present at Christmas, you know. And then this piece.
It's like Christmas, but you have to assemble it all yourself.
I actually quite enjoy that part. I don't think this thread's right. Good. Maybe. Look at that. So shiny.
Well, you just screwed it up, tried to put it in the wrong way.
Got it. So this will take some careful measuring. Okay. Try to make sure that there are equal parts in from either side. Let's see. Ah, made in Japan.
It's genuine. Alright then. Let's do this.
Oh, one more piece.
Oh, you got one more.
One more piece.
Getting ahead of myself here.
The creme de la creme, I guess.
I've seen that one already.
Both on the same? Yeah. And let's go. Can you point, crazy face? Ah. Here we're going to remove the caliper, take off this suspension, and there's a bolt here, one on the bottom, and we'll take the whole bracket off with it all in one piece. Well, I ran into a bit of a snag. Let me show you something. So you got the caliper bracket right here. Holds this brake caliper on. It's a 14 mil bolt there, and 14 mil bolt here. I don't know if you can see right down inside there, but yeah, can't get it out. So I'm going to proceed to take out this bolt on this side, which I've taken one out. Flip it around, take it off, and then this strut will hang out. I may have to take the tension off of this bar. So I've replaced new sway bar as well as the strut rod bushings, or the strut rods, and they go right down here under this. So hoping that's going to relieve some of the pressure, and then we can take this right off. We're going to take the strut off on the other side, and then we're going to drop it all as one piece. We've got control arms, these things, this ball joint, we're rusty, and now I feel it. So these are coming off. So yeah, hopefully we get to put some new parts on today. Still waiting for shocks. I keep talking too much.
I thought the shocks were in.
Shocks are in, but
Not in your possession.
Not
yet.
in my possession. They are at
In the
post
city,
office.
yes.
Yes. I gotta notice that they're in, so I have to go get them, and then we'll be ready to put these on very soon.
Yeah.
Also have to pack the wheel bearings. Can't forget to do that.
Good advice for everybody at home.
Make sure you pack your bearings.
Start that over.
Right.
Because you said you're in the middle of saying number 2.
Oh. Number 2.
There you go.
In the parts box. If anybody needs these, shoot me a message. They might be for sale for the right price. What I'm going to do is sleeve up the mess a bit, and we're going to pull the control arms down, sway bar, and strut bar things. Choppers. Nah, just stop.
All right.
I could just take a moment and recognize the fact that you used a sanding disc to cut a hole through there. Oh, yeah. Looks to be a freshly rebuilt control arm.
I like how it's all shiny.
Yeah, I made that. Let's check the old one. A little side by side. Oh my goodness. Isn't that something?
Isn't it?
Wow. So what's the difference? Is what I'm wondering. I don't know if this is the grease, but this one looks thicker. A little more biffy, you know?
You know, I'm inclined to agree. It's pretty close though.
Yeah.
I would say they're extremely similar.
Some say they're different. I don't see it. I can tell you right now, I don't feel like sandblasting these ever again.
Or anything for a good while, I'm sure.
Yeah, that's right.
There's scratch here.
Oh man. Thanks.
You're welcome.
So, we've cleaned these up. This is where the old brackets were. They were pretty rusty. So I gave them a wire brush with a brass wheel. Took some acetone, cleaned them down. We're going to throw a little bit of paint on here. Same with the other side. Came out pretty good. I can keep this in good shape. There's still a lot of grease down there, which we will take care of later, but this is just temporary. Kind of get some paint on there to protect it. And then when we come back, we will assemble.